We're a place of unity. We're a place that sometimes without words, sometimes without even knowing it, we bond together in a shared mission. Unity doesn't mean sameness. It's choosing to see one another with dignity across differences.
Today we are celebrating our 4th annual Unity and Kindness Day, which is a partnership between the Unity and Diversity Nursing Council and the Office of Health Equity and Inclusive Excellence.
What you see here behind us is a homegrown celebration. This is what sets UCLA Health apart. Everybody here contributes to how we are intentional in our commitment to health equity and inclusivity.
This year's theme is health advocacy. We have several vendors here that are here to showcase their work, and so we're excited that people can take an opportunity to see all of the great work that's going on here at UCLA.
We're here today to make it easy for people to advocate, for them to reach out to their state legislature, to be able to say, we need that funding for research and for education.
As part of our activity, we want to honor those that we have lost, whether it's a colleague, a patient, or a family member. And so I invite you all to write someone's name down and to release it into our collective memory.
Our population of unhoused has a negative stigma for many people, but whatever led them to where they are today, they deserve the care that we get, and we're bringing it to them.
We are the Employee Assistance Program for the university, and all employees are eligible for our free resource.
We're just here to talk to people that want to be nurses. It's pretty easy when you're talking about nursing in the profession. When it comes to teamwork, unity, empathy, compassion, all of those things, I think it just ties together.
It makes me really proud to be part of the UCLA community. We stick around for a reason, and I think this day really highlights that. We hope that everyone took something from the event today to continue spreading that message of unity and kindness, not just today, but every day.
Thank you!